Question: is it better to resolve conflicts in relationships through direct communication or by giving people time and space? Discuss the advantages and disadvantages of each approach.
In my opinion, both direct communication and giving time and space play crucial roles in resolving relationship conflicts. But the best approach often depends on the situation and the personalities involved. Direct communication is undoubtedly one of the most effective ways to clear misunderstandings quickly. When people talk openly, they can express their feelings, clarify assumptions, and understand each other's perspectives. This approach prevents resentment from building up and shows emotional maturity. For example, when partners discuss their problems calmly, they often find that the issue was smaller than it initially seemed. Moreover, honest communication strengthens trust and helps build a foundation of transparency in the relationship. However, direct discussions can sometimes escalate arguments if emotions are running high or if one person feels attacked. In such cases, the conversation might do more harm than good. On the other hand, giving people time and space allows emotions to cool down before addressing the issue. It gives both individuals the opportunity to reflect on their own feelings and consider the situation more objectively. This method can prevent impulsive reactions and promote thoughtful dialogue later. For instance, when someone feels hurt or angry, taking a short break before talking can lead to a more constructive and respectful discussion. The downside, however, is that too much distance may create emotional disconnection. Some people might interpret silence as indifference or avoidance, which can worsen the conflict instead of resolving it. Overall, I believe the most effective strategy is a balanced combination of both. Initially, giving each other space to calm down can prevent emotional outbursts. And once both parties are ready, direct communication can lead to genuine understanding and reconciliation. In essence, successful conflict resolution is not about choosing one method over the other, but about knowing when and how to apply each wisely.